It's tricky business sharing my story with autoimmunity, the carnivore diet, ketosis, and overcoming a lifelong disease through functional medicine and not mainstream medicine, which tries to put a band-aid on something that is happening in your body. Your metabolic health has to be in line for it to be taken care of and to deal with it. And I'm just here to share my experience. That's one of my main goals with Carnivore Climbs. I'm not trying to tell anyone, oh, you should do this. You'll feel way better. You'll heal this, you'll heal that. Because that decision to heal has to come from within. And I felt that when I was introduced to these pathways to health. There was a lot of questioning involved. And the curiosity has to be there to keep the questioning going through the mainstream medical jargon, for the lack of a better word, and so forth. The ways set out in Western med to heal autoimmunity. I'm not going to say they're backwards. I'm not going to say they're false. They work for some people. But if you want to really, truly thrive and not just survive through something like this, you know, your health is paramount. It's all you got. So I'm here to share my experience. And I would suggest that all you do is question what I'm saying and question what you're doing to heal. And see if there isn't a way that can work for you. Maybe that's something I'm sharing here. So thanks for listening. Carnivore Climbs, check it out on YouTube. Thanks for all the support. Really appreciate everyone watching the videos. I kind of just yak away about my experience with autoimmunity, which I was diagnosed with 3 years ago, and on what I've done to overcome the pain and live in healthy patterns that I can continue for the long term. Thanks again.